What do you know about Phu Quoc? Where is it? What does the island look like? And most importantly, how much does it cost? Hey everyone, I'm Stana and today I'm gonna show my crazy trip to the paradise island Phu Quoc. Let's do it! At the end of this video I will share the cost of accommodation, entertainment and tickets to Phu Quoc. As soon as we landed to the island, we got a taxi and headed to our little house for the next 6 days. So, right now I'm going to give you a tour of our accommodation on Phu Quoc. We'll be staying in a bungalow for the next few days, and there is a small area with various types of houses, some small bungalows and larger houses for bigger families. The bungalow is very cozy with a small balcony where you can have breakfast under the palm trees in the morning and dine in the evening. Inside is spacious with a bed, workspace, small window, shelves, a small refrigerator and a wardrobe. The house has everything you need. There is also a small bathroom with a shower, toilet and sink. The house is really comfortable and peaceful on the property, just 5 minutes away from the ocean. We immediately decided to check out the route to the ocean and the beach, as it's not the peak season in Asia. There are people on the beaches and the island, mostly locals. The ocean is very warm, around 30 degrees, but the waves are quite strong. The beach is empty and beautiful, with palm trees and plenty of crabs and seashells. The next day we decided to go to the water park to another island. On Phu Quoc they recently opened the longest cable car ride in the world, which takes you to the amusement island. The cable car is 7,900 meters long and it took us 20 minutes to ride it. The cable car is located above the ocean. You can enjoy views on the ocean and the islands. After a successful landing on the island Hon Thom, we went to the park and there is a pond with koi fish right at the entrance. The park's territory is very large. There are a lot of flowers, plants, a tall tower with an observation deck, the beach, various attractions, the water park and some restaurants. There are also many statues, little monsters and intriguing architectural designs. Throughout the park, there are signposts to ensure visitors don't get lost. The water park is vast with a wide variety of water slides. However, some slides weren't operational and others opened of different time for reasons I don't know. The water park features a wave pool, a lazy river pool, some plants and thematic decorations. We decided to have a meal and found a place with pizza. And I swear, guys, it was the best pizza of my life! I've been to Italy and tasted authentic Italian pizza, but this one surpassed all I've ever tried. On the water park's premises, visitors can rent a locker for storage and towels. Additionally, there is a children's area with water slides and a large play zone. This is one of the best water parks I've ever been to. The water park closed at 5 p.m. along with the cable car, so we made our way back to Sunset Tower. At the end of this video, I will reveal the cost of the trip to the water park. And I want to mention that the ticket price includes the road trip cable car ride and the whole day at the water park. Trust me, the price will pleasantly surprise you. The city is new, that's why it's still empty. It doesn't resemble Vietnam at all. The city was built in an Italian style, so you feel like you are in Italy. It's very beautiful and well organized, with not many tourists, empty streets. Since the city is new, people haven't moved in yet, so there are many vacant buildings. It means the city looks creepy a little. There are fountains, neat roads, pedestrian zone, and access to the ocean promenade, where you can witness beautiful sunset. However, as you explore, you can see that the city is still under construction, and there is much yet to be complete. But I'm confident that with a little more time, this city will come to life. Phu Quoc is an incredible cozy island with plenty of entertainment, warm ocean, beautiful beaches, affordable restaurants. We were lucky to witness a sunset and a storm with rain approaching. The world's best pizza, the juiciest watermelons, and stunning nature. I remember promising to tell you how much does it cost to come to the island and have vacation here. I bought round-trip tickets for two from Bangkok for $250. The bungalow by the ocean for 6 days was $120. Tickets to the water park and road trip cable car ride for two were $50. $50. And one dinner for two at a regular restaurant was around $17. The name of the bungalow will be in the description of my video. I hope that after watching my video you want to visit Phu Quoc, as this island is unique and beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. And by the way, the mood of this day was the encounter a dead scorpion.